Okay, the bottom half key concept number 2. We are building on what we practiced for our last DMR. In order to add or subtract fractions, they must have that common denominator that we worked on last week, which means that they have to have an equal number of parts. So if the denominator is the same, that means that our piece or our whole is in the same amount of parts. So if you look at 2/3 plus 1/4, well, this one is in 3 pieces, this one is in 4 pieces. So they do not match. So I'm going to make it bigger so I can see. So the first thing that I need to do is what I did last week. I need to change that 2/3 into the same denominator as this 1/4. And I'm going to do that by timesing both by 4. Making sure that that's there. So this fraction, the 2/3, see 2/3 turns into 8/12. I'm going to underline it so that you know it. The other one, and I might just change colors so that you guys can see what I'm doing here. The other fraction is 1/4. To make it be the same, it's missing the 3 from the denominator of this first fraction. So I'm going to multiply it by the 3 and the 3. So again, 2/4 will turn into 8/12, and 1/3 will turn into, I didn't mean to hit enter, 3/12. Now let's explain why we had to do that. Because when we go to add them, now it's possible. I have 8 and I have 3 as my numerators on the top. And on the bottom, since they have the same number of pieces, what did they call it in it? Since they have an equal number of parts, see, this one is cut in 12s, this one is cut in 12s. Since that is there, I can add them. So let's make these look like fractions. And then we're just going to add across the top. We get 11. Add across the bottom. No, don't add across the bottom. It has the same amount of pieces. So now that I have 8 pieces plus 3 pieces, I end up with a total of 11 pieces.